Now we move on to other news, where Murang'a Director of Medical Services, Dr. Winfred Kanyi, is cautioning women against buying contraceptives over the counter, saying it may expose them to health complications. Elsewhere, a family in Free Area Nakuru town is demanding justice following the alleged kidnapping of their 14-year-old daughter. She is reported to have managed to flee from her captors. More details in the county briefs.
The Class 8 pupil at a local school is alleged to have been lured by her peers into a trap where she was turned into a sex slave for 2 weeks, barely 20 kilometers from her home. The girl says a group of girls well known to her picked her from her home to go for a stroll and gave her sweets. She says she then lost consciousness and woke up to find herself in a 20-year-old man's house.
Alinipeaga switi. After kunipea hiyo switi tukiwa kwa hiyo kijana, mimi sikujielewa. Mimi hata sijui venye mimi sijui kana na hiyo kijana ama sikulala na hiyo kijana, kwa sababu mimi asubuhi kuamka nilikuwa ndani ati niko kwetu. Sasa mimi kujikuta mimi niko kwa huyo kijana. Mimi nikamwambia mimi sitaki kuwa bibi ya mtu. Mimi na mimi wa shule. Mimi sitaki kuwa bibi ya mtu na
residents are now calling on authorities to identify the group and put a stop to their activities. And a Kiambu court has ruled in favor of the Wangige family following a land dispute spanning over 10 years. The land worth 500 million shillings has been at the center of a controversy between the family and private developers since the death of their father in 2009.
And these people have lived in their land for more than 50 years. The persons who are alleging to have interest in the land have never been part of their family, and they have no viable interest. For those 10 years which I've acted for them, I've been involved in disputes with the same persons, and which persons have lost in all their claims pertaining to this land.
Meanwhile, Murang'a Director of Medical Services, Dr. Winfred Kanyi, has called on women to ensure use of contraceptives under prescription by a qualified medical personnel to allow for necessary tests before using contraceptives.
Most of our women and girls may not be coming to our facilities the way we would want them to. So we want to encourage them, as far as family planning is concerned, to come to our facilities, because there they can be given the right health education, they can be empowered, and then they will be helped according to their status. They will be helped to choose the right family planning method.
And the Inspector General of Police, Hilary Mutiambai, flagged off a police vehicle for use at the Jomvu police station. Jomvu MP Badi Twalib said the vehicle, which was a pledge by the President, would boost police patrols.
Managed to procure a vehicle which was a security gap in Jomvu, and today we officially hand it over to our OSPD, or sub-county commander, Jomvu, so that he can enhance security in his area of operation.
Finally, a project on freedom of expression, access to information and safety of journalists in counties has been launched. The project involves regional trainings at selected centers geared towards harmonizing working relations between journalists and county governments.
We had a team from IREX that were helping us to train them on psychosocial support and also on digital safety, especially in terms of transiting from managing technology to deal with the new environment where they take care of themselves in terms of online safety and also ensuring that they begin to develop stories that can go online.
Caroline Kamau reporting for Channel 1 News.